Hello guys, welcome to MAXHUB AI Experience Room. My name is Elshad Kashkari. I'm the pre-sales engineer for MAXHUB here. Right now we're in this room where we have a MAXHUB W70 all-in-one Windows MTR system. So the W70 is designed for a medium large room. It's all-in-one Windows built-in with Windows 11 IoT. And then the bar itself consists of 4 cameras. Right now, join a meeting. Once you join the meeting, you see the privacy shutter opens up. You can see there are 4 50 megapixel cameras on the bar. The bar has also 60 microphones built in that can cover up to over 30 feet distance, and then it has dual 20-watt speakers. Again, it's designed for a medium large room. And in addition to the built-in audio system, we have released our new DM30 table microphones. We can have up to 4 of those added in the room. Lastly, I want to come over to the touch panel here. I want to quickly showcase you how we can integrate with third-party control system. Right now, I go to room control on the touch panel. Here we have an external control system embedded through page flip on the MAXHUB panel. So in this case, we can support all of the integration with third-party room control system just using one touch panel on the screen. Lastly, quickly, we want to showcase our integration with third-party audio system. Here we have a new rAVe bar that is connected directly to the bar via USB, and also a Sennheiser ceiling microphone just to showcase we are compatible with most of the certified audio manufacturers to provide that additional features coverage for a meeting room experience. Awesome. Thank you very much.